Okay, a lot has been done over the past week or so. My wife and I have been doing a lot of the interior work, doing all the painting and the flooring and the slat wall and some of the finish work. We've also had a lot of subs in here doing a great job, and excited. We are rounding probably the final couple of weeks on things. So when people think of painting, they think, oh, painting's pretty easy. Painting is pretty easy. This is the part of painting that isn't easy and takes the most time. All the prep work. Who's your favorite husband?
Sean.
Okay, we just finished the entryway wall. Well, when I say finished, we got as much as we could reach. We're putting in the flooring, and this is all on a floating floor. Woohoo! Yeah, and our helper here, Christopher, give us one of these. All right, coming in good. Got all this flooring done last night. Doors were just jammed in today. And for the windows, we're finishing up the rubber matting so that the sill that's going to connect the two windows doesn't vibrate and has no connection to the two walls. Our isolation booth doors just arrived. They're inside that. We're all anxious to see what they look like.